It is a week before Christmas here on Mackinac Island, and the weather is going to be above freezing, and some of the snow is going to melt. It's actually already starting to melt. Downtown still looks like a winter wonderland, but it is sloshy. My partner was picking me up from the dock. I was off island the day before and came over on the 7:30 boat, which was so early in the morning for me and full of hardworking, amazing people who are coming over to do a lot of construction here on the island. As you can see, our weather is really weird right now. Or maybe you can't see that. Thankfully, we've had so much snow that even with the melting snow, there is enough to, at least for right now, drive on the roads. It is going to flash freeze tonight, and we're going to get more snow tomorrow, which will make very interesting winter conditions here on the island. Here we are going up this hill. If you've ever been here in the summer, you know how steep this hill is. I will say today was a little freaky because of just the melting snow, and maybe because it was early in the morning for me. I'm glad I wasn't driving up this. I actually would have gone a different way. But I hope you stay warm and stay safe out there.